Hi there, John here from Romania, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a strategy that can make easily for you $15 up to $50 per minute with small work. But before I show you the strategy, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, hit that like button and comment down below. Today I am going to teach you how to become an affiliate to one of the biggest platform of freelancer. You guessed right, it is about Fiverr.com. You need to search in Google, Fiverr Affiliates Program and click on it. Go to Commission Plan and let me show you here. We as affiliates for this platform have more plans to make money. Each category from here have a different rates of payment. So you can promote just the highest price services or you can promote them all. By now all that I showed to you, does not include any work, right? I will tell you what your work it is going to be every day for this. Your work it is to find your clients, and for start and no investment you can go to Upwork.com and sing in as a freelancer. You can choose anything you want because you are not going to be a freelancer. You need an account so you can find clients. Here I do not have an account so I cannot see everything in platform. But if you create a freelancer account you will find the exact right people who need one kind of service. On this platform client goes to and post here their jobs and what they need. They publish the money they can spend for that service and so on. So after you have an account here you can come and let's say search for work and you find and contact at least 10 clients per day. Do not leave your affiliate link inside the message box for any client. Just tell him you can help him with his work for a lot less money. You will see that you are not going to lie because the clients always give more money than the freelancer ask. So you help him for a lot less money and ask him to contact you via email. It is the most professional way. Put a little bit of work in your signature in a free new Gmail account so you appear a professional guy. When they contact you you can tell them that right now you have a lot of work and you give him a colleague from your big company to help him. Pay attention. The person you promote from Fiverr, each and every one of him you need to talk to them. Tell them you find for them new customer and you are his colleagues, right? And after that all customer from Upwork will contact you, but you are so important guy, you do not have time to help him, but some of your colleague will help him immediately. And this is the way, for every clients that buy a service that he need and he is willing to pay more money that you can help him, you get paid from $15 up to $50. You can make your full-time income from this. If you like my video hit that like button and comment down below. You can consider subscribing to my channel and learn everyday ways to make money online. Follow me on Instagram work_smart not hard and you will find me on Facebook under the same brand name. I wish you all the best.